Okay, so in this video we will talk about fonts and how to add fonts to the Amazon Kindle e-readers. I really like how texts are formatted when reading books, so fonts are very important to me. So, for example, here we have my Amazon Kindle Paperwhite Signature Edition, and here is a book that I'm reading at the moment, and here you see a font that is available for the Amazon Kindle. If we go up here and click on settings, we see different fonts. Here we have the font I use at the moment is called Futura, as you see there. And here you see a lot of other fonts that I have installed on my Amazon Kindle Paperwhite. So for example, if I want to change the font to another favorite of mine, Minion Pro, as you see there, I can do that by clicking on that font, and now we have Minion Pro instead. We click up at the top and go here. You see all the other fonts I have installed for this. Another huge favorite of mine is Atkinson Hyperlegible. We can see that font too, as you see here. This is a font that I use also in Co-Reader on my Kobo devices. A really nice font. And a benefit with some of the fonts is that you can also set the bold of it. As you see here, you can have different bold on the font. That is nice. So if we go back to my favorite font, Futura, you can see that I have a bold setting of 3 there and a size setting of 9 to get what I want to have when reading, as you see here. And the same thing on this, the Amazon Kindle Basic. We can start that up here. As you see, we can sync. Sometimes the Kindle doesn't sync to the last position for some reason, I don't know. So you have to sometimes go to a bookmark in the book, like so. So now we are on the same page, as you see here. So here we have a font I have installed on this Kindle Basic. So if we go up here, you see all the fonts on this device too. And as you see, I use the Atkinson Hyperlegible on this. And the same thing here, I have the same fonts installed. Literata, for example. So, quite nice. And fonts you can find for free on, for example, Google Fonts, fonts.google.com. You can find a lot of fonts there for free and download. And to install these fonts, it's quite easy too. We will see, we will now connect the Amazon Kindle Paperwhite to my computer to see how to do that. So, we will soon go to my desktop cam, but first we will plug this in, like so. As you see here, now it's ready for USB drive mode for my Mac computer. So let's go to the desktop cam. Here we have the desktop cam. And here we have a browser window. I think the text could maybe be too small for you, so let's see if I zoom this later on. But here at the side you see that my Kindle are connected, so I click on that. Here we have the Kindle and all the fonts and files. Here we have the map, the folder that you want to use to install fonts in. So we double click on that, you see all the fonts. And down here we have a text file that you can read on how to install the fonts and so on. So that's quite easy if you read that. Here you see all the fonts that I have installed. So when you have downloaded the free fonts or fonts from other places on the internet, you should put them in the fonts folder on your Kindle, this folder. And they should not be in another folder. You can't use subfolders. You need to have them in the root of the fonts folder to be working. And you should add all the family of the fonts. So for example, italic, regular and bold and so on for the font. So if you add them to this folder in TTF or UTF format, then they will show up on your Amazon Kindle. Quite easy. So no subfolders here, and it will work. That is how easy it is. So when you are done, you can go here and disconnect the Kindle by clicking on that. Now it's disconnected. And if we go back to the scene cam, you see that you can now disconnect the cable, because now it's not connected anymore to the computer. And after that, the fonts will show up here, as I showed you before. By clicking here, you see all the fonts. Really, really nice. And if you want a really bold font, this Constantia font is very bold, for example. Really nice. So you can find a lot of different fonts on the web if you have the time to find them. Like so. I think these are very nice and very easy to do. So I can highly recommend using different fonts on your Amazon Kindle e-reader, because it's very nice and fun to have different fonts when reading books. I usually have the same font almost all the time, my favorite font, but sometimes I switch to another font when reading a specific book. So for example, when you read fantasy, maybe you want to use another font with serif or something in the typography, if you know what I mean. And sometimes you want to have a more simple font when reading. So that is a very easy way to do. I think having different fonts makes it more fun to read books. So that is something I can highly recommend. Okay, bye.